Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sir classes. And this is Chinu Thakur, and we discuss top 10 medical college in West Bengal. Yesterday we have discussed about top 10 engineering college of Calcutta. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है तो that video is really very informative for you. Okay, so let's start with today's class, and today's we are going to discuss about top 10 medical college. Top medical college in West Bengal. West Bengal is home to several renowned medical institutions. Yes, true. We have a very good medical college in our West Bengal. And these college offers comprehensive curriculum, cutting-edge facilities, and dedicated faculty to nurture the next generation of medical leaders. Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. This is the first institutions which is really very renowned. The strength internationally recognized for its excellence in medical education and research. And this is the one of the premier institution of India. We have get very good facilities because that college boasts state of the art infrastructure, including well equipped laboratories and modern laboratory library, advanced simulations, and reputative also because IPGME and R has a strong reputation for producing highly skilled medical professionals who contributed to the advancement of the healthcare. Medical College is number two. This is the renowned college which has a strong history that established in 1835, and Medical College is one of the oldest and most prestigious medical institutions that have diverse specialization as well. This college offers a wide range of medical specializations which include general medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and more. They have provided clinical training as well because students benefit from hand-on clinical training and which is at the college's affiliated hospitals, providing them with invaluable practical experience. Then we talk about Archikar Medical College and Hospital. Comprehensive for their curriculum, they have a fantastic way to achieve a good strength for their students. They covering both theoretical and practical aspects of the healthcare. They have experienced faculty because the college needs a good faculty for good students. So yes, they have a qualified and experienced faculty members who are dedicated to student success. And the cutting edge research, if we talk about, then they have contributed a lot to advancement in medical science. State of the art facilities, their infrastructure, their laboratory, everything is really very fine, and they have well equipped medical instruments in their library also. So though they have library and laboratory, so you can get a good education here. Then KPC Medical College and Hospitals. This is the clinical research and student centric. Every three important point which is related to your study is really efficient in this. Students receive hands-on clinical training at the well-equipped KPC Medical College, and they have encouraged their sports students to engage in research projects as well. The college focuses on a student-centric approach, ensuring personalized attentions and support for each learner. AIMS Kalyani is really popular now these days because they have excellent academic excellence and commitment to the academic power and rigorous medical education. State of the art facilities, they have boost cutting edge infrastructure, and they have modern medical equipment to support their students for better learning and research. They always focus on a research, so they encourage and support faculty and students to engage in impactful medical research. Next one is IQ City Medical College. They have innovative curriculum because it offers a dynamic and innovative curriculum that keep pace with the evolving healthcare landscape. The college promotes an interdisciplinary approach, so they encourage cross pollinations of idea and collaboration among various fields of study. Community engagement is really important, so students at IQ City Medical College actively engage with the local community, providing valuable healthcare services and outreach programs. Then we have Kolkata National Medical College. Excellent faculty, state of the art, and strong research focus. They have strength here and widely recognized as one of the top medical college in West Bengal. If we talk about the strength, the clinical training, the students get gain hands-on experience through clinical rotations at the college affiliations hospital, and they have extracurricular activities so that the college encourages students to participate in various kind of sports, cultural and social events as well. Then we have Neil Ratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital. They established in 1906, and Neil Ratan Sarkar College has a long and prestigious history in medical education. The college boasts modern infrastructures, including well-equipped laboratory and a comprehensive library. They have advanced simulation center as well. This college is always prioritize the overall developments of its students, providing them with a nurturing and supportive learning environment. Last but not the least, Kolkata Medical College. They have very renowned academic excellence, experienced faculty, and this college is also encourage their students to do the best in their medical life. They're fostering a spirit of innovations and discovery. This college is boost a team of highly qualified and experienced faculty so that they can provide a very good education to their students. So this is all about the top 10 medical college of famous college in Calcutta. I hope you like the college. I hope you like the information. So if you want some more information, so be with me. I'll get some more information related to the colleges of Calcutta. So next video will be about the top 10 colleges, the girls college for best education in Calcutta. So be with me. Bye bye. Take care. We are always there to help you out. So we have given our number also if you want to contact with the team. So Turf Sir class is always welcome or the students. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet soon.